एक टेक, सेकंड टेक, थर्ड टेक, फोर्थ टेक। तो मुझे लगने लगा कि यार क्या गलत हो रहा है। तो मैं हम लोग एक दूसरे से मतलब क्या हो रहा है, आपका भी इतना ही टेक हो रहा है।
She gives you the freedom to like ask anything, to talk about your character. You're totally free. You feel okay in Payal's space.
We just saw glimpses for some final dubbing that we had to do. So we got a little taste of it. More than anything else, just to watch with everyone.
Kani, Divya, Ritu, Chaya. Yes. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
What an honor and an incredible accomplishment to have a film in the main competition. 30 years we've been waiting for this. And you guys have all contributed to making it happen. We're so proud. All of us are just so proud. Kani, I want to start with you because I read that Payal actually conceived this idea when she was still an FTII student. You were supposed to play Divya's role.
Yeah.
So this film has been gestating for years and years. Tell me more.
Yeah, I mean, I did not know Payal back then. She was studying, and then she reached out, and I read the script, which was a slightly different script but similar scenario. And then even that time also, she said, you can do also the elder one, because I was in the middle age of, I wasn't neither there nor there. So she said, then she wanted but me to play the younger character in it, because she was like, she watched some short film of mine and she felt I could play that. Then she was working on other things, and then she said, it's paused for the moment, we will see. So years passed. Then 2 years ago, she was like, now finally the film is on. Then I'm like, okay, now I can only play another part. I don't think there's no way I'm trying and I'm reaching that age. So then I auditioned for the part that's called Prabha.
The Prabha, yeah.
And so the first audition when we had, I felt maybe something is missing. So, I also felt like, because she told me already we will work together or something, maybe I felt maybe she's thinking, oh, maybe she wants to see other actors who would also interpret Prabha the way they want it to be. Then I said, I know we said that we will do, but you go ahead and look for other actors probably. She said, yeah, I'll do. Yeah. That. Then I said, maybe then we will see if you still like me then. So then after that, she called me once more after a few months. Then she said, can you come again home? I just want to read with you once more time. Then that's when it got confirmed later. Yeah.
So, what is interesting about Payal is she has such a distinctive voice, right? I don't think there's any other director who has this kind of a visual language where there are no barriers between, fiction, non-fiction. In her short films, in her documentary, there will be illustrations, there will be animation. So, those formal barriers that we think of, this film is this and this film is only this, is not in her head. What is it like for all of you to work with her? How is she as a director? What kind of briefs does she give you? What was it like? Anyone? Divya?
For me, when I read the script, I felt like I was so moved. When I read some scenes, I cried almost. Payal called me to do the character of Prabha, which Kani did first. So I did 2 rounds of Prabha's audition. Then suddenly she asked me to do Anu. So then I did 4 rounds of audition that felt like that. So I think she's very inclusive, and she always open that space quite open. She always ask for the suggestions, and so we don't have any hesitation to ask or give the suggestions. Payal, can I do that? Can I act like this? So there is no like that.
Like no barrier or nothing is stopping us from entirely collaborating with her.
Yeah, it's very collaborative.
And she allows it to not just actors. One thing I found very unique in her is she's kind of like that with all the ADs or whoever is working. In fact, they work with her way before actors. So they were all part of it equally. So I think this is probably one of the first film I felt I was collaborating than being So
So
that's
this is the first time I'm getting this much time for preparation for the character, and she's very involved in the workshops and the rehearsals, like shoot. So it's actually helped us to for as an actor. Yeah.
For you, Chad?
बहुत सालों बाद मैंने जब से काम शुरू किया ना, तो बहुत कम बार ऐसे होता है कि स्क्रिप्ट के ऊपर इतना काम किया जाता है. यानी जो मैं वर्कशॉप लेना है हम सुनते हैं, लेकिन प्रॉपर वर्कशॉप क्या होता है ये मैंने इस प्रोजेक्ट में देखा. यस. और हर एक शब्द के पीछे यानी होता है ना 2-3 ऑप्शन होते हैं, तो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि अच्छा ये नहीं तो ये ले लेते हैं यार, नहीं ये नहीं तो ये क्यों, उसके पीछे भी बहुत मीनिंग होता है. बोलते हैं ना एक पॉज है लेकिन उसके सबके लिए अलग अलग मायने हैं, अलग अलग अर्थ है. तो पायल के साथ इतना मज़ा आया ना, और जैसे ये लोग बोल रहे हैं ना, वो ऐसे खुला छोड़ देती है एक्टर को कि आपके दिल में जो आए बता दो, बोल दो. जैसे मेरा कैरेक्टर है, शुरू में तो पायल से मुलाकात ही नहीं हो पा रही थी मेरी, और उसके पहले मुझे बताया गया कि क्या स्क्रिप्ट है. तो सच बताती हूँ, मैंने उनको बोला था कि मेरे सिवा ये कैरेक्टर कोई नहीं कर सकता है. वो एक अंदर से होता है ना कि वो जर्नी कि जैसे मैं आई हूँ एक हाउसिंग बोर्ड, मेरे पिताजी मिल में जॉब करते थे, फिर वो पार्वती है एक कोकन में रहने वाली लेडी है. तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स है ना मैंने देखे हैं, मेरे घर में देखे हैं, मेरे आजू बाजू में देखे, तो ना मुझे ऐसे हुआ है बस ये मैं मेरे लिए लिखा हुआ है. और उसके बाद फिर जब पायल से मिली, मेरा ऑडिशन भी बहुत अजीब हुआ था. मुझे ऑडिशन देना नहीं आता. लोगों को लगता है कि
सिर्फ एक्टिंग करने के लिए आता है, audition देने के लिए
नहीं, बोलते मुझे ऑडिशन देना नहीं आता है. तो मैंने इनको भी ऐसे ही बोला था कि यार ऑडिशन नहीं दे पाती हूँ मैं. फिर उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है छाया जी आओ हम लोग बस बातें करते हैं. और कहीं हम लोग ना बातें करते करते फिर हम लोग वो पार्वती और पार्वती की लाइफ में इतने घुस गए ना कि मैं वहाँ हमारे गांव में जैसे कोकन में औरतें नाचती है गणपति में, फिर मैंने जो सुना था कि मिल होने के बाद क्या क्या हुआ था, मेरी माँ क्या फेस कर रही थी, मेरे पिताजी क्या फेस कर रहे थे, हम लोग सब बातें हुई और ऐसे हुआ कि यस यार आदि पार्वती तो यहाँ मिल गई. लेकिन ये तो एक्टर का होता है कि मुझे मेरी पार्वती मिली, लेकिन सिर्फ ऐसे नहीं होता कि डायरेक्टर को कौन सी पार्वती चाहिए ना, वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही यानी कमाल की जर्नी थी. यस. और ये इतने टैलेंटेड लोग, हम लोग ने बहुत यानी बहुत एंजॉय तो बोल नहीं सकते, लेकिन उतना ही हार्ड वर्क किया कि हम लोग ने बहुत यानी जब काम अच्छा होता है ना तो कितने घंटे हम लोग काम करते हैं ना
पता नहीं चलता.
है. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट वैसे था हमारे लिए. यस.
And Ridu, for you?
And it's like DP and Chayaji said, it was an acting school for me. Like the workshops and the shooting. Like if there's a week of shooting, Payal will make sure there's like much more workshop, like a week, like a month workshop at least. And we start from the morning till the night. Like me and DP work the most together because we have the scenes together. It's just like you rehearse so much, and until at a point I thought like, why are we rehearsing so much? Will it get mechanical? But then when I shot, I realized that okay, no, like Payal has a point, because when you rehearse so much, you reach a point you can improvise on top of that. And then like Payal made me realize that, and she has this like she takes care of you. Like she gives you like DP said, she gives you the freedom to like ask anything, to talk about your character. You're totally free. You're okay, like you feel okay in Payal's space. I think that's like a great, like compared to the other projects I worked, I think this is the most the project I learned the most. I worked with the most elite kind of people like Chayaji, Kani and DP. It is. It's elite actors, yeah. Like truly. Like Kani will be like, hey, like when I say every time. Yeah. But it is true.
Okay, but you said it might become mechanical, right? So I'm interested in that because I also read that she does a lot of rehearsal. but she's recording rehearsals, right?
Yeah.
Then she's telling you which take in the rehearsal is exactly the performance that she wants. जब आप लोग
हाँ.
actually shooting कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
But if it's that designed, how do you improvise? Where does that come in?
So, for me, the ability to recreate the scene, that kind of ability increased in me after this film.
Actually, the improvisation happens in the rehearsal. time.
Rehearsals, yeah.
So, like you said, so we are improvising while we are rehearsing things that we, it's like, you know, Kareem, that first rehearsal we did, that part is right. Second, this one was good. Then we kind of try to recreate all that. And she almost designed the scene already with our rehearsals, with all the contributions that she wants to give and what we can suggest. When we go to shoot, we're trying to recreate what we already kind of done. The improvisation is not happening.
Not
while-
on set,
Yes,
it's in the rehearsal,
improvisation
yeah.
can happen there too. She's not like for example, this is what happens. So sometimes I'm like, but Payal, I want that. I like that one. She's like, okay. So we're like, okay, let's shoot that too. So she will shoot what she wants. Then some things she allows us to do how we want, and she keeps it. And I said, you decide this only in the edit table. You can't just be, you know. So yeah, that's
We
what
are
happened.
getting so much time to improvise during rehearsal and
Rehearsals,
workshops.
yeah. So it's not like
So-
in the shoot drastic new improvisation happening. It's in the rehearsal.
Rehearsal,
Right.
yeah.
Because one scene sometimes from day
Yeah.
morning to night we are doing that scene only in a rehearsal.
But is
so many times we are doing
Yeah.
it. So almost all the probabilities and all we have done there only. She's recorded so that only she.
yeah. But if Payal's one, particularly this one, while shooting, they'll try to recreate the same.
But tell me, are all of you, all four of you, the kinds of actors who can recreate exactly? क्योंकि काफी actors होते हैं जो they can't do exactly the same thing. You know, हर take में there'll be a little अलग. So was this difficult to say कि that take में that expression is okay, but mix it with this take? I don't know. How did you guys do it?
ये चैलेंज था हमारे सबके लिए. जैसे कनी ने बोला ना कि पायल का एक कुछ अलग ही तरीका. अगर हम लोग रिहर्सल में एक ही सीन 10 अलग अलग तरीके से कर रहे हैं तो पायल का ऐसा. छाया जी उसका है ना स्टार्टिंग पोर्शन ठीक था. उस सेकंड वाले का है ना उसका आवाज. थर्ड वाले का है ना इमोशन. मैं सच बताती हूँ, मैं एक पॉइंट पे है ना बट पायल को जो चाहिए ना वो बराबर से निकाल के ले लो. यानी कमाल है.
Yeah. I think for theatre actors, some of this happens otherwise also. We are rehearsing for many times and then we keep improvising the scene. We try to do it again and again and then you have
fine-tune it,
yes, then you have an idea and then you go for the performance. And second day when we do like, let's just improvise more. So Payal's film I felt a lot like a theatre production, how much we get involved to
So
the
almost
final.
like theatre.
So she's like, the shoot day is probably the final day of how to make the scene finally. But right now, we will rehearse it as much as we can. So even the mistake shots, we know. We're like, am I doing it like that? Oh, shit. You know, we know that. Okay. So we were equally aware. Most of the time, we were aware. Sometimes in shoots, I'm never aware. And this was good. I'm like, yeah, okay, I don't know what happened. This was bad. Oh, why was it bad? I was like, so, but Payal, I'm like, okay, I did that, right? Like, you know, we spend enough time to really learn from each other and
Also, we were workshopped almost every scene. Yeah, especially first schedule.
Not
yeah.
your favorite thing.
No.
actually we have one more actor, Assis. I don't know, he played the Dr. Manoj here. So he came on set. He said,
he can
3 Malayalam film could have been made by this time. And we are like, yeah. And then when, especially in Malayalam, no, we are like one shot, okay. We're like, okay. But I just started saying the like, yeah, that was good. Okay. So,
Rather than Payal's film, I did a movie in Malayalam. And the first day of shows. Okay.
and this Assis, because we have been rehearsing, we knew how Payal is. Like, we're like, okay, we are not that bad actors. Okay, we did something. But she's like, nice. Okay, can we try? And I'm like, okay. And it's going on in rehearsal. So we already is like acquainted with how she is.
Yeah.
Then Assis because he joined later. So the day he's shooting, he's also like generally in Malayalam, he's a good actor. So he gets it right like in the first take, whatever. So this time he's doing it, she's like, very nice, very nice. And he didn't speak English or Hindi. So the communication, everything was taken. And she says again, and third time he's like, Kani, my acting is not good, I think. She's making me do so. I said, we have all done 24, so 50 times, 100 times. At least you are doing only some 10 times to get laughs. That's how it was.
He's the only one, he doesn't get much workshop or rehearsal.
Actually, no,
anything.
Anand Sami, least.
Yeah. Anand Swami also.
I think
didn't
he
get
has
any
at
workshop
least.
or rehearsals.
So they had the biggest surprise when they came on the set.
Yeah.
they are very brilliant actors. yeah.
मेरे साथ भी ऐसे हुआ मुझे आप लोगों का पहले शुरू हुआ था शूट उसके
Correct.
बाद में
Actually, even Ritu joined later.
Yeah.
ओके
Yeah, actually, I think it's us.
तो जब मेरा शुरू हुआ ना शूट तो ऐसे ही होता था कि एक टेक सेकंड टेक थर्ड टेक फोर्थ टेक तो मुझे लगने लगा कि यार क्या गलत हो रहा है तो मैं हम लोग एक दूसरे से मतलब क्या हो रहा है कि आपका भी इतना ही टेक हो रहा है
हाँ मेरे को याद है छाया जी
यानी और
नहीं,
फिर
कुछ
एक
गलत कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा पायल का ऐसे है ना अच्छा हर टेक हम लोग अलग अलग इमोशन अलग अलग डायलॉग भी चेंज एंड डायलॉग चेंज वगैरह ऐसे करके किए अभी हमें पता नहीं है कि फाइनल क्या दिखने वाला है हमें कुछ भी पता नहीं है
Sometimes we don't even understand what is the difference between this and this.
It's so minute.
It is very
So
precise.
minute. So I'm like, no, this is here. And I'm like, what?
Maybe you don't do that. Watch like what?
और मुझे तो कभी कभी वो बोलती थी छाया जी अच्छा हुआ है लेकिन वो ना पार्वती वाला मस्ती तो मुझे ऐसे होता था कि पार्वती वाला मस्ती कौन से टेक में था वो
You're just digging deeper and
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
और मैं तो ना बाद में तो इतने टेक होते थे ना कि मैंने तो मेकअप वालों को भी नहीं छोड़ा था यार एवढंच होतं है हाँ सबके साथ ऐसे ही हो रहा है या मुझे कुछ नहीं जम रहा है
Chai, I have to tell you, what a year. मतलब लापता लेडीज, मडगांव एक्सप्रेस, 2 films at Cannes. आप 10 साल से ज़्यादा से एक्टिंग कर रही हैं, right? Do you feel कि finally people have understood what a powerful actor you are?
हाँ ये साल मेरे लिए है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट
ब्रेक थ्रू ईयर है ना जैसे बोलते हैं
Yes.
ओवरनाइट सक्सेस कुछ नहीं होता
नहीं नहीं नहीं
कुछ नहीं होता लोग सालों साल से काम करते हैं फिर सक्सेस होती है
यस यस मुझे भी बहुत लोग बोलते हैं ना अरे तू कितनी नसीबवान है तो हाँ हूँ लेकिन ये ऐसे ही नहीं मिला है यस
बहुत पापड़ बेले
बहुत बहुत
Yeah.
मैंने शुरू किया काम तो यानी क्या करना है काम मिलने के लिए क्या करना है ये भी मुझे पता नहीं था तो फिर बोलते थे कि फ़ोटो निकालना ज़रूरी है तो फिर वो कहाँ फ़ोटो सेशन करना है यानी क्या करना है ये भी नहीं पता था सो फिर और तभी तो कोई भी अगर मिल जाता था ना कोई भी बोलता था ना कि अरे हाँ मी तुला काम मिळवून देतो तो ऐसे लगता था यार यही है वो यही बंदा है जो मुझे इंडस्ट्री में लेके आएगा अभी कुछ सालों बाद पता चलता है कि अरे वो तो यानी कुछ भी नहीं था यानी कुछ भी नहीं था ऐसे नहीं लेकिन शुरू तो मैंने एक सीन भी किया है लेकिन उस वक्त वो भी मुझे बहुत ऐसे लगता था माय गॉड मैं स्क्रीन पे दिखने वाली हूँ कुछ तो मुझे कैरेक्टर पर काम करने के लिए कुछ तो एक काम मिल रहा है सो एक सीन किया है बहुत बार तो ऐसे एक फ़ोन आता था कि इथे पोचायचं है यहाँ पहुँचना है ये है कुछ एक सीन करना है तो मैं ना रात से तैयारी करती थी माय गॉड कल पहुँचना है मुझे शूट है मेरा तो फिर निकलती थी और फिर बस से वगैरह और ऐसे स्टूडियो के ऐसे गेट पे पहुँचती थी और पता चलता था अरे वो कैंसिल हो गया आपका
Oh my God.
तो बहुत बुरा लगता था लेकिन वही है मैं यही बताना चाहती हूँ कि कुछ भी ऐसी ही चीज़ नहीं मिलती है तो बहुत बहुत काम किया है एक सीन खुद के ऊपर एक तो मैं बहुत लेट आई अनुपमा इंडस्ट्री में ही बहुत लेट आई क्योंकि कुछ खुद को करना है ना उसके लिए अब खुद के साथ कुछ घटना भी ज़रूरी है तो वो घटने में शायद बहुत साल लग गए तो लेट आई लेकिन एक अच्छा है कि कुछ अच्छे लोग मिलते गए और फिर बस मिलते गए।
और अब आप बैठी हुई हैं कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, देख
कैन फिल्म फेस्टिवल में और आपके सामने।
Tell me, I have to ask all of you, ki, what are you most excited about? Your premiere is going to happen in a few days. First Indian film in 30 years. You're going to walk that red carpet that's right over there. What are you all feeling? What's happening?
Everything about Cannes is exciting. So for me, I really want to watch our film with the whole crew. So that's
Same.
what I'm waiting for.
Yeah.
We all are waiting for.
And that screen is so big. It's massive. Oh my God. And it's I don't know, 2,000 people in that in the Grand Theatre Lumiere. It is just stunning. It's gonna look so beautiful. I'm so excited for you. I'm so sad I won't be there to see it with you. But tell me, Kani, what are you most excited about?
Actually, we all were saying that because, like I said in the beginning, this is one film where we felt most collaborative in a way. So, you know, it's like, oh, this film is out, and I think actors were least participated in the post-production of the film, but everywhere else we were more involved than any other film I have worked with personally, at least. So for us, now we had a gap, and we just saw glimpses for some final dubbing that we had to do. So we are like, we got a little taste of it, and we are like, so want to know what is the final thing. So more than anything else, above all that, for me, just to watch with everyone is being there. Then of course it's like, it's Cannes and it's great, and it's like for me personally, there were Indian films in the past years that I felt it should have come here. Like, you know, I was like, what a beautiful film. Why is it not in a prestigious festival like this or something else? So I think it was for us to come here, great. But I wish other Indian films also come. Like there were films that made me feel so, you know, like I took an epiphany with me back after watching that film. So anyway, so that is there, but more than any of that, just because again today we saw them, we saw Payal, we we didn't have the
we
time.
all met.
Basically, what we wanted, we just wanted to spend some time and what happened, that didn't happen. So it's still
पता है अभी हम लोग यहाँ निकले ना, तो मुझे ऐसे लगने लगा कि हम लोग वापस शूटिंग के लिए ही निकल रहे हैं और साथ में एक गाड़ी में हैं।
Yeah. I'm not feeling that gap in between. Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
Well, I cannot wait for all of you to see it. And again, thank you. And wishing you so much luck on closing day. But genuinely, I think you already won. So thank you.
Thank you.
You've been watching FC at Cannes 2024 in association with entertainment partner Airtel Xstream Fiber, beauty partner Lakme, podcast partner Amazon Music, and travel partner Air France.